Hi guys, in this chapter we will learn that how to create a future line from the alignment and how to convert future line to in polylines. Then we create a boundary for the surface. So let's go start. This is our alignment. If we check here, you see the alignment style and drain it. So just click once here. We click in here, then we can see that all the alignment has been selected. Now go to in the home tab, you come and see the here the future line option. The click and drop down it. Here see the options are more 5 6. You create a future line from the alignment. Just click once here, then come and select your alignment here. Then it's asking some information, you fill here, otherwise you leave it the same as it is. And see the create the dynamic link in the alignment. This is should be unchecked here, otherwise it will be link. And then say to OK here. And here more the options. So grade, we don't want any slope, so we put here 0. And it's asking your points length 10 meter, or you can put otherwise you want some things. And 3D distance he adjusting in the 0.1, it's okay, no problem. And 15 of 412 vertical will be VDAD, means this all you mark, you can see these points will be created by the future line. They say just okay. Now it's converted in the future line. You see the auto future lines are here. Now just click once here, okay, and or say to offset, it's best option offset. You put anything, say the value, I'm putting here 10 meters. Then just click once here and click once this side. So should be wait, okay, yes, it has been created. You see here, if you click, this is the future line and here is the auto future line. Just click once here and this one you delete. Now you see the alignment is here. Once you click here in the future line, then option will be appear here, and you see the elevation editor come to here, okay. And in the elevation you go to top or maybe down here, just select it once here, then come to down in the last row and hold the shift button and just click once here, then all will be selected. Then once you select here and put the here value 0, okay, then see the all are 0 and grade break also are 0 0 here. Length is reading point are here. So this, if you want to make the equal, you can make equal, otherwise leave it the same as it, okay. So it has been now without elevation our future line. You see this is future line. Now we will convert this line in the polyline. So how? Just click once here and go to in your property, this future line. You see the here future line is written, and you come down, you see here all 3D length we are also here still. So just escape and click once again and say to explode this one, okay. Now you click your future line, you see here now converted in the polyline, not a future line. And you see that not here the 3D line, the 3D length, here only the 2D length, okay. And you can change here now color by block. I changed, it's converted in future line, polyline. Now again we have to make the offset, this one 10, then 10 that side, so we put that 20 value and just click once here and see the both side the alignment, this polylines. Now we have to both end should be close of our polylines. So how do we just PL, give to command PL, come to this side and now join this here and select both the lines, 3 lines. This is 2 and this is the 3. Then join, give to command join J, enter. You see now it is joined. Now we go to other end here. Then see here we have to same procedure. We connect it. PL command means polyline here and here, here and here. Now we have to give to here command, click and click this line also, then give command join G. Okay, so see this is the closed now polyline here. We can use it as it is the surface boundary. Okay, so just select once here, this is surface name is the 8. Okay, and here we have to go to in prospect tab and go to our surface value, surface here name. This is the same 8, expanded it here from and give to definition here, and here you come, the options are there. Edit already we done, and here you see the boundary. Just click once here and right click here and add or give to name only BO8. Okay, capital BO8. It's look good. Then just say to click here. Okay, and select your polyline. Yes, you see your boundary, surface boundary has come to here. So it will be good for the calculation, the quantities and areas all are in this area. Our surface line will be not go much far from the our alignment. So I think you understood that how to we create a future line from the alignment and how do we create the polyline from the future lines, and direct we can say how to create a polyline from the alignments. Thanks for watching.